We are in Kinugawa here. It's absolutely beautiful, surrounded by some small mountains, pretty little town.
Welcome to our tatami room here at the Kanaya Hotel Kinugawa in Nikko National Park. This is pretty cool, everybody. A tatami room is a traditional Japanese room. Instead of tables, we sit on the floor on mats.
It's even got a little back so you can get down, got the feet up. I'm ready for my game of cards.
You can ask them at the front desk to turn this into your bedding. They can put down the tatami mats with a duvet and you can have a traditional Japanese experience like we did last night. And they have turned our living area into our beds. These are the fluffiest duvets. And our tatami mats on the floor here. And this is what we'll be sleeping on tonight. Oh, it's so cozy. And perfect to sleep in. I think I'm not gonna get up anymore, I'm good. However, tonight we are staying in luxury and we are in a giant tatami room in the Kanaya Kinugawa because we have our beds. It's very weird. We were asking them about it and they said that actually to get a queen or a king size bed is quite rare and most of them are these two twin beds like that. So Dave and I snuggle every once in a while, right Dave?
Of course.
Anything else you want to add?
I know it's a very cool room. I like how they give you the options like Deb said with the tatami or the twin beds, but I don't think you've covered the bathroom yet.
Oh no. Yes, I did miss the bathroom, Dave. I'm gonna meet you in there and you can tell everybody all about it.
One of the things I found interesting here in Japan is that you take your shoes off when you come in, and then if you go into a bathroom, you have to put on your bathroom shoes.
Yes, you have your house slippers, your bathroom slippers, your hotel slippers, your outside slippers. There are slippers for everything.
Well, I have to say, the best part in any Japanese room is definitely the toilet. I know you probably didn't expect to see me sitting here on the toilet, but it's the best way to demonstrate how this thing works. First, when you sit down, the seat is heated. God, being from Canada, that is just heaven. No need to sit on a cold toilet seat. Then, once you've done your business, whether it be one or two, you can actually wash yourself here. They have, this is all hooked up to the toilet seat. So there's one for men, one for women, one for men small spray, one for men big spray, one for women which is a bidet, and this one has a butt dryer. I've never seen that before, so that's pretty cool. So I'll give this one a try, and you can adjust the pressure on here as well. So if it's too much for you, you can turn it down a little bit. And also you can adjust the position as well, where it sits in the toilet seat. So if it doesn't quite line up where you need it to be, you can adjust that as well. They've thought of everything here. So let's see what happens here when I'm gonna do the little wash. Let's see. Ooh, yep, there it is. Yep. And yeah, the pressure's pretty good actually. Hit the stop button. Okay, now it's off. That feels good. I feel all nice and clean. Then before I go, let's get this dryer thing. Let's hear. Ooh. That's warm. It's like a hair dryer for your butt. That's pretty cool. I gotta get me one of these.
And now it's time for our public bath experience at the Kanaya Hotel in Kinugawa.
So because you go into the Japanese baths naked, all of the saunas are not co-ed. There's a men's sauna and a women's sauna. So it's really cool. The men's sauna definitely has a more masculine feel, but it's great. You know, they have saunas, they have steam rooms, hot baths, and it is all from the hot springs that are from nearby.
Now, this particular hotel has two different types of bath. There's a Four Seasons and there's also a Greek tub experience. And what they do is they switch the two back and forth between men and women each day, 2 times a day. So everybody gets to try everything.
This is just a great way to unwind after a day of hiking the trails of Nikko. Just come and have a bath and then you get to go into your robe in your room and spend the rest of the night relaxing. One of the traditions I love when staying at a hotel with hot springs is that after you do your day of sightseeing, you go down to the public bath and you spend time in the hot tub and the sauna and the steam room. And then when you're done, you don't have to come up and get ready for dinner. Nope, you get to change into a yukata. And I'm gonna show you what that is. And here's how you put on your yukata. Now, first of all, you should not be wearing your pajamas, but these are the house pajamas that they offer to us to relax in our room with. I love it, but these should never go outside. However, you're not supposed to wear anything but underwear be underneath the yukata, and you don't need to see that. So I'm gonna put it on over my pajamas. This is a yukata. A yukata is made out of light cotton, so it's very comfortable to wear to dinner. And believe me, you want to do this because everybody wears it. The locals wear it, the tourists wear it. If you don't wear it, I think you look kind of weird. So you just have to make sure that you bring the right side over to your left-hand side of your body. You're not going to be wearing anything underneath, so you want to pull it tight. Then they supply a sash. I know men for sure tie it on the left-hand side, and you can tie it in a bow or a half knot if you want. They give you socks, the Japanese socks that work perfectly to go with your slippers that you're going to wear. Oh, dressing for dinner. And one final thing, they even give you a handbag to match your outfit so that you can bring all of your accessories with you.
And men get to dress the same way, except I get green.
And dinner is always a set time, so you wait in this nice little lounge until your table and room is ready.
And you get the nightly hors d'oeuvres and cocktail. Tonight it's apple liquor, and all this is before you go in for dinner. We're all ready for dinner here. Another, how many courses do we have here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 course meal. That's the way we do it here in Japan. And we've got our own private dining room. Fantastic.
Dinners at a ryokan are extravagant multi-course meals that last 2 hours. People can choose to dine in the room or in the dining room. Each course is meticulously chosen and typically accompanied by sake or beer.
So dinner is finished and it ends where it began. We started out here with a little aperitif, had our dinner, now we're out here with chocolate, coffee, and tea. Perfect way to end a great meal.
For more videos from Japan and our other travels around the world, be sure to subscribe. We upload new videos weekly. And be sure to click the bell for update notifications. See you next time.
It's delicious.
And you don't get to see any more.
Nope. Bye-bye.
Bye.